Hello, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10S. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and biometrics, and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with none. Now let's select swipe. Pin. Then password. And in the end, pattern. Once it's done, we can set up face unlock and simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.